Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send YouTube Shorts on Discord. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to open your YouTube mobile app. And from here, you will need just to go to the Shorts tab or the Shorts panel. And basically, all you need to do now is to start sharing your Shorts so you can send it over Discord. Basically, to do so, you will need just to click on this share button. By clicking here, we will find this share uh, link or this share menu, and from here you will find all your channels. So you can click more if you cannot find already your Discord or any other channel. And basically here in our video, we are interested on Discord. So simply make sure that you have your Discord app that has been logged in and make sure that you are on logged into your account. So here I'm just going to go again to our shorts and then I'm just going to click on Discord. So basically here it will take me to the share panel or menu. So here it will just show you all your friends and all your channels that or servers that you are joining. And from here you can see the shorts link that is added automatically, and then you can start selecting all your channels or all the places where you want to share your shorts. You can also add some description or add some modification to the link, for example some comments or anything, and you can start, for example, adding this, and you can then click on send so you can have your link that has been sent successfully to your Discord. So basically this is how you can send your shorts to Discord. Thank you for watching and see you next time.